Hey everyone, it's Devil here. What up? I'm back with another tutorial, and this time I'm going to teach you guys how to download songs from Spotify playlist or library. After the recent Spotify update, Spotify emails warning to the pirate using hacked app on their phone. This means you can no longer use modded app on your phone. Although I always wanted to download high quality songs from Spotify in MP3 format for various reasons, like putting them on my Walkman. Yes, I still use my Walkman, or putting them on my phone so that I can play it on my Power Amp app for the nice and sexy bass. So after the update, I finally gave it some time and searched how to download them songs. So let's start the tutorial. Okay, so here are the things required. First, you need Spotify installed on your PC, and then these two files, which link I will give in description. So yeah, that's it. To download all the songs from your library, go to your song library and then select one song and press Ctrl plus A. Then by holding Ctrl, right click on the song and then add to playlist. After you create your playlist, download two files from the link in description and install the CD-Fi converter app. And then click on finish. After that, do not open it. Okay, so extract this crack file and just open it. Then select the drive which you have in which you have installed this CD-Fi app, and then press crack. That's it for the cracking part. After cracking your CD-Fi app, just open it and then click here. Then put the playlist link here. You can find the playlist link. Just go to the playlist you have made and then press these dots and then share and then copy playlist link and then paste this link here. And then press add, and that's it. Press OK, and here all your songs are from your playlist. Then click on convert, and these will start downloading. After the song being downloaded, press here and go to the and press this and see where you can find all the songs, and you can change the directory of downloading the song here from here by pressing this gear type icon, and you can select the output quality, audio format, and that's it for the tutorial. So guys, hit the like button if this video helped you in any way and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you for watching.